Hello, welcome to Bite of Hope. Today, we're going to have some special sides for the holidays. So we want to make sure you have some healthy sides to go with your food. Now, these are not only healthy, these are delicious sides that everyone will love. I'm sure you will love it as well. Filled with veggies and vitamins and minerals and things that will be good for our body just to have, and even help us process everything else we're eating. So just relax and see. We're gonna cook three sides today. We're gonna have Brussels sprouts. We're gonna make classic French ratatouille, and then we're gonna have a kale salad. Three things, three sides. Hopefully you'll enjoy it this holiday with your family and your friends. Let's get started. We're gonna start with the Brussels sprouts. It's quite easy. You just take a little bit of the end of it, split it in half, and it's ready. Cut and ready to go. We're gonna turn on the heat. Add a little bit before high. I have a 10-inch skillet here. So for the onion, I'm gonna use just a little bit of oil. You can do, I'm gonna use olive oil. It's not extra virgin, so it can smoke up a little bit. You can use canola oil, or actually, we can use sesame oil. That would be better. Around a spoon of sesame oil, or any oil you have. And we're ready. We're gonna sprinkle salt and pepper by pinches. Let's count our pinches. 1 pinch, 2 pinch, 3 pinch. That's enough of pinches. Just a little pepper. Smells good already. Now, because the skillet was hot, the oil is hot, and it's getting green, but beautiful green. You can also use just a wooden spatula to move it around. We're gonna let it get a little bit of color while we dice the rest of our ingredients. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. We're gonna use jalapeno, just one. It helps us with digestion. It helps with our blood flow. It gets our heart all pumped up. So it's gonna help us digest all this food that we're eating for the holidays. Okay, once it's getting toasted like this, we're gonna add the onions. We're gonna cut the peppers. We're gonna do the same as we did before. This is the color we're looking for. We're gonna add 3 more pinches of salt. And we'll add our pepper. Now we're gonna do the garlic. And now we can finally add low sodium tamari. A little bit more oil. Now we're going to start with our ratatouille. This is super easy. Now, maybe you've seen the Disney movie, and I know you're going to love it. You're going to love this too. On the real life, we have bell pepper, we have zucchini, we have a yellow squash, we have onions, garlic, tomatoes, eggplant, and thyme. Now you can mix and match any of these. You can make it your own. You can put it in the oven, you can put it on a skillet, however you prefer. You can use one of these cast irons. I think today we're going to just use one of these oven Pyrex. So we're going to start chopping off everything, starting with the onions. Slice. Some people even grate it. I just like chopping it off, dicing, cubing. Gonna add salt. Pepper, awesome. We're ready to start our salad while we wait everything in the oven. So we're gonna use kale, curly kale. All right, we have kale. Ready. Now, nothing says more holidays than fall and winter produce. That's why we're using squash, we're using Brussels sprouts, because they're in season, they're delicious, they're at the top of the top right now. When they're in season, that also means you have more nutrients. And I've tried to get everything local, so it should be a little bit higher in nutritional values as well. We have this delicious thinly. Like that. This is going to be super simple. I have a little bit of cheese left over. This is fresh cheese that I shredded. You don't have to put cheese. If you have any other cheese, you can do another cheese too. Just like half a cup. And I got those delicious sunflower seeds. If you have any nuts that you want to use, it goes well with anything. Pistachios, almonds, pecans, anything is good. I like sunflower seeds. They have good oils. They're super nutritious, and they're not that expensive. They're not crazy expensive. So that's something you can find for not too much. Let's do a vinaigrette. Just the simplest vinaigrette you can think of. We're gonna get a clove of garlic, a small one, just a small one. And if you don't like garlic, you don't have to, you can just do the most simple without garlic. If you like shallots or green onions, you can use that instead. But for this, you have to do it really, really. So I'm gonna slice it really thin. I'm gonna turn it around. Slice it again, thin, thin, thin. Now I'm gonna turn it around and mince it. This way. We'll just put it all here. And mix it up. Oh, it's so good. Make sure the kale is completely covered with your vinaigrette. We are ready. We have 3 great sides that you can share with your family and your friends. I wish you enjoy this. Please take pictures if you do, and you can send this to us so we can see what you're doing. If you need more resources or more recipes, please go into abiteofhope.org. That's our website. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for the Healthy Research Institute at the University of Houston for making this happen. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great holiday season.